the roller part?
Yeah. Good. A lot of people do.
Sucks left, turned up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just to get out, right? We're just going on top now.
See the spray marks?
What?
Marks. Take that big tunnel right there, pour the whole room and then. Don't need the sentence, right?
No, what's that?
A couple points, but I don't know.
Okay, here you go. I'll stir this here. Ready when you are.
What can you say?
You want to do that as well, but this way,
That's perfect.
The T200 guys, we're running 3.5 gallons per year, and we have a tonic with sip on there. Said he had somebody to talk to.
18 inches off. When he gets closer, you'll see what happens.
which is just the metallics, which I love this. I love the creators. I love it. You got good angles. See how that's stretched out? The angles are good. So what you're doing is you're picking up.
It's 225 square feet.
This is what you normally do back home.
Yeah. That's easy on a rectangular room. But imagine you're like going room from room to room to room,
Right.
which is tricky. Especially if you have a staircase in the middle and you've got to go around and like, it's called your wet edge. So every time you move somewhere, like if we were doing this room and we were doing it all this in one hit, it's going to be tricky having a wet edge all the time, isn't it? Say like we do these 4 rooms and then we've got in there, it's 40 minutes later, and I've got to like, I'm in here, I call my bucket. If I blend into that trail mark I put there, you're going to see that.
How have you found it?
I found it very interesting, exciting. I've learned a lot about the art behind it and the coatings and everything. It's really good so far.
I found this class to be very informative. I learned a lot of different techniques for creating these beautiful designs that we learned how to create in the floor. Very informative. So my brother ended up finding it online through Google. Ended up being something we signed up for, and to be honest, ended up being a great experience. A lot of great people out here like Lou, teaching us a lot of great things, techniques.
I gotta like pick say, Lou's brain, gonna get his techniques compared to, there's so many different techniques and different styles. So learning from a pro like with Lou, and it just ups my level, my game.
It's great. Been really informative. Great to meet you, Jon Resin, and just had a lot of fun, gaining a lot of new information, and can't wait to get back home and really pick it up from there.
Like I said, I appreciate all the help. Everybody's been real helpful out here, and to be honest, there's a lot of upcoming things to this stuff. The metallics are awesome, man. I definitely recommend you come to this class with XPS.
Thank you very much. And as we say, always on hand before and after the students leave. We're always here for support.